Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and today I'm going to cover what is artificial intelligence. So, future AI wizards, we're going to demystify this in just a few minutes. So, I need Wally, the whiteboard, to help me out. So here we go. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like giving a computer a brain. But instead of squishy grey matter, we've got algorithms and data. We don't need to actually program any rules. Instead, the brain, the technique that we're using, learns itself. Different techniques that we could use in AI include machine learning, which is a subset of AI, deep learning, which is also a subset of AI. Deep learning is about modeling the brain, called a neural network in mathematics, to do clever things, to automate things. And then the newest field under here is generative AI, which is really another subset of deep learning. Fantastic. Moving over to here, this is something called a decision tree, which is a machine learning technique. So AI can make decisions, solve problems, generate new content. It's behind things like voice assistants and recommendation engines. And even that filter that makes you look like a cat. Meow. Right, down here now. Here's a fun analogy. If AI were a student here, data would be like textbooks and algorithms would be like the study technique. And well, for us humans, we'd be the sleep-deprived teachers trying to bring it all together. And then just over here, let's talk about some AWS services. So we can see we have Amazon recognition. This can help us detect objects in a movie or a picture. And then we have Amazon Lex, which powers chatbots that might just help you pass the Turing test. So 2 services there. And then finally over here to our wonderful quick case study. So did you know that Formula One uses AWS AI to analyze race data? Yes, they process a mind-boggling 3 billion points per race. Wow, that's like counting every grain of sand on a beach every single weekend. How boring. Thank goodness AI is here to help. So let's just recap on all these things. We talked about using algorithms and data in an automated fashion to learn new things, different types of machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. You can see they're subsets of AI. We talked about our decision tree over here. We then talked about the analogy of how a human might teach a robot. We introduced 2 AWS AI services, and then we finished up with a fantastic case study. So, if this video has computed well in your neural network, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let the YouTube algorithm do its magic. I'll see you all in the next one. That's it. This is Digital Colmer, signing off.